Hi and welcome to my new channel. My name is Aaliyah and today I want to show you my curly hair routine. The products that I use are down in the description box. I do this routine once a week. If you're interested, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I don't want to make this intro too long, so let's just get into the video. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I washed my hair with the OGX shampoo and conditioner. And then I deep conditioned my hair with the ORS Hair Mayonaise and a mixture of olive oil and shea butter. So now I'm going to start with the first product. The first product is the Garnier Fructis Macadamia Hair Food. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, and it's a good quality for the price. So I'm gonna let down my hair. Of course, I had to get presentable for the camera, so by now it's not completely wet anymore. I always dry my hair in a t-shirt instead of a towel because I feel like it doesn't get too frizzy that way. This is what my hair is looking like right now. So first I wet my hair a little bit, just with some water in a spray bottle. Now I'm just going to distribute the leave-in conditioner in my hair. It has a pretty thick consistency, which is perfect for my hair. So I take this much and I then just start to rake it through my hair. I make sure every section gets enough moisture. And don't forget the ends, guys. They're the oldest part of your hair. So I'm just gonna apply this product throughout my whole hair. Now I'm going to move on to my styling product. As you can see, I really love this product so much because I got the big container, and this is the Kinky Curly Original Curling Custard, and this is my favorite hair gel. It's one of the only hair gels that doesn't dry up my hair. It's not too crunchy. It smells amazing. It doesn't leave any flakes, at least not for me, and it has really minimal ingredients, and it's cruelty free, which is always a plus. So I'm going to take a little bit, not that much. You really don't have to be heavy-handed with this product, and this is the consistency. It's a really fun consistency, honestly. So I just like rub it across my palms, kind of the same way I apply the leave-in conditioner. I just apply the gel, and at first it does make your hair a little bit like, it gives you kind of the wet look while your hair is drying, but you will be able to get back the volume once your hair is dry. Okay, so now I apply this throughout my whole hair. I like to kind of scrunch up the roots a little bit because I don't want them to be too flat. As you can see, I have some bits that are a little bit stringy, so I just try to like crunch them up a little bit. So that's what we're looking like right now. I like to keep it more simpler these days. I used to have phases where I used so many products, and A, it's time consuming, B, it's really expensive, so I'm trying to keep it more minimal. I'm using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Oil. It has like a bunch of different oils mixed together. It comes with an applicator like this. And yeah, I'm basically gonna get some into my palm. Okay, I got a little bit much. And then I like to apply this on the length of my hair first. The top of my hair always gets pretty frizzy, so I like to also apply some to the top of my hair. Now I'm just gonna scrunch it up a little bit. And if you get these frizzy bits here on your edges like me, I just like to take a little bit more of the gel, just dip my finger in it like this, and then go over the edges a little bit. Depending on the thickness of your hair, I'm really sure you could still use these products. You just have to probably use a different method. So if you have thicker hair than me, you might want to use smaller sections. And if you have wavier or softer hair than me, you might want to use just less product. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna come back to you guys after I air dried my hair. I don't like to diffuse. It's just personal preference. I don't like the look of it. Plus, I don't have a diffuser. So this is an easier and cheaper way for me. And yeah, I'm just gonna let it air dry and then come back to you guys and show you the final result. This is what my hair is looking like right now. Just left my house. Honestly, if it's really cold, I wouldn't recommend doing this. Okay, my hair is fully dry now. That can take between 3 and 4 hours. It just depends on the weather. I sometimes dry it overnight. That depends on what time of the day I wash my hair. What I'm gonna do now is just pick out my hair a little bit with a comb. For this, I'll just use this wide tooth comb.
Just like to go on the roots, then I have to go over my hair a little bit. Can you keep it back? And then the other side. Just go over it a little bit.
Then I just like to shake it out a little bit to separate the curls. And that's all I really do. I'll just let it separate throughout the days, and then throughout the week I might refresh it after like 3-4 days. It just depends on how moisturized or dry my hair is. Sometimes I like to do a side part that would look something like that. It just depends on what you want. But today I thought I'd just do a classic middle part. Okay, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.